Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Let's start with our grammar lesson now. The grammar lesson is from your language tree. We are going to go through the review of parts of speech, helping verbs, and the simple past tense. You're going to identify the parts of speech. You're going to identify the helping verbs that are used in the sentences, and you're going to construct simple past tense sentences using the verb given. Okay, now let's go ahead. Parts of speech. The basic parts of speech are 8. The noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. You all are pretty familiar with these parts of speech as you have already worked in class 7 and the previous classes that you have passed out from. So we move forward. Helping verbs. We all know, and those who do not know, helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. They add a grammatical meaning to express the tense or the voice of a sentence. Some of the examples are given over here, such as is, am, are, was, were, be, being, and the list goes on. We use the helping verbs in different types of tenses, such as in present indefinite, past, future, questions, when forming interrogative sentences and negative sentences. Okay, simple past tense. The next one is simple past tense. It is also known as past indefinite tense. It is used to indicate actions completed or the tasks that have already taken place before the present or that time where they are present. The structure of a simple past tense is a subject, then the second form of the verb, and then the adverb of time. What do you mean by adverb of time? That's the time like yesterday, last week, the previous day, or last year, etc. Now look at this. We also use the verb to talk about things which were true in the past but which were no longer true in the present. Like suppose the statement you can see over here, when Amir Khan was at school, he used to play cricket. And it was true in the past but not now in the present because he's not in school now. He's passed out from the school. Then the negative sentence, he didn't used to have much money. And same goes for the interrogative, where did he use to live with his family? Students, we use the word used to or used to with the negative without a D. It means it's a first form of the word use only when something was being done in a habitual way in the past and not continued in the present. Only then we use the phrase used to or used to. But take care when you are writing a negative sentence by using the phrase used to, you can see that because did is the second form of do and already one second form is used, the other phrase, the verbal phrase used to is in the first form, because two second form verbs cannot be used simultaneously. And you can see in the statement, the phrase used to is used with the verb play. The action verb play is in the first form. And similarly in the question, where did he used to live with his family? Where did is already the second form of the verb do. So we are using use instead of used. Sorry, in the negative sentence we use the first form of use, and in the question we use the second form of used. No, used, that is used to, the phrasal verb used to. Okay, let's go to the task to be done, the practice work. First of all, the exercises and the page numbers from language tree have been mentioned on this slide. They are already present there in the assignment folder, all the exercises. For those who do not have the books, they can practice from those assignment pages on their notebooks. And those who have the books, they can use their books and do the same thing by referring to the book. And there are some exam details and explanations given in the book as well. It will help you out. Thank you.